What up, YouTube? We're gonna start this up for you just to show you the progress in it, because yeah, it's been like 6 months. I don't like working in the winter, but this is the Goldwing. We did the carbs, we built the body, we built the front headlight cover. People were talking crap saying that's not how you do it, but whatever, it came out perfect. So, and let's see how it starts with the carbs, new carbs, cleaned. There you go, running perfect. Stick with us, got some more projects coming. All right, Avid out.